Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you the importance of wooden craft projects in modern interior home decor and a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The importance of wooden craft projects in modern interior home decor cannot be overstated, as these creations embody a harmonious blend of artistry, sustainability, and functionality that resonates deeply with contemporary sensibilities. As we navigate a world increasingly dominated by mass production and synthetic materials, the resurgence of wooden crafts signifies a collective yearning for authenticity and a connection to nature. Wooden crafts, whether they manifest as furniture, decorative accents, or functional items, play a pivotal role in shaping the ambience of our living spaces, offering not only aesthetic appeal but also a profound sense of warmth and individuality that is often lacking in manufactured goods. At the heart of this importance lies the inherent beauty of wood itself. Each piece of wood carries its own unique grain patterns, textures, and hues, making every crafted item distinct and imbued with character. This natural diversity allows artisans to create pieces that resonate with the personal tastes of homeowners, fostering an environment that feels tailored and intimate. In modern interior design, where minimalism and simplicity are often celebrated, wooden crafts introduce an organic element that can soften the starkness of contemporary aesthetics. The tactile quality of wood invites touch and interaction, creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also emotionally engaging. Moreover, wooden craft projects contribute significantly to the sustainability movement that has gained momentum in recent years. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many consumers are seeking ways to reduce their ecological footprint, and incorporating wooden crafts into home decor is a meaningful step in this direction. Reclaimed wood, in particular, has become a favored material among crafters, as it repurposes discarded resources and gives new life to what would otherwise be waste. This practice not only conserves natural resources but also promotes a culture of recycling and thoughtful consumption, aligning perfectly with the values of environmentally conscious individuals. By choosing wooden crafts, homeowners can express their commitment to sustainability while simultaneously enhancing their living spaces with unique, handcrafted items that tell a story. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The act of creating wooden crafts also fosters a sense of fulfillment and connection to one's surroundings. Many individuals find joy in the process of crafting, whether they are skilled artisans or enthusiastic beginners. Engaging in such projects allows for a hands-on experience that nurtures creativity and self-expression, offering a welcome contrast to the often impersonal nature of modern consumerism. The satisfaction derived from transforming raw materials into beautiful and functional pieces cannot be underestimated. It cultivates a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and the time and effort invested in each creation. This connection to the creative process can be particularly meaningful in today's fast-paced world, where individuals often seek moments of mindfulness and presence in their daily lives. In addition to their aesthetic and environmental benefits, wooden crafts also serve as powerful tools for personal expression and identity. In a time when many people are striving to create spaces that reflect their individuality, wooden crafts provide an opportunity to curate a home that tells one's story. Each crafted piece can embody personal experiences, cultural heritage, or artistic vision, allowing homeowners to showcase their values and preferences. This aspect of personalization is especially significant in modern decor, where the desire for unique, non-generic items is prevalent. By incorporating wooden crafts, individuals can fill their homes with pieces that resonate on a personal level, transforming their spaces into reflections of who they are and what they cherish. Furthermore, wooden craft projects often promote a sense of community and collaboration. Many crafters find joy in sharing their skills and knowledge with others, whether through workshops, online tutorials, or community events. This spirit of sharing not only enhances individual skills but also fosters connections between like-minded individuals who appreciate the value of handmade crafts. In a world where social media plays a significant role in our interactions, platforms dedicated to showcasing and celebrating wooden crafts have flourished, creating a vibrant network of artists and enthusiasts. This sense of community can enrich the crafting experience, providing support, inspiration, and a shared appreciation for the beauty of wooden creations. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The versatility of wooden craft projects further amplifies their importance in modern interior decor. Wood can be transformed into an array of items, from intricate wall art to sturdy furniture, each serving a distinct purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic of a space. This adaptability allows homeowners to seamlessly integrate wooden crafts into various design styles, whether they lean towards rustic charm, contemporary minimalism, or eclectic bohemian vibes. The warm tones and natural textures of wood can complement a wide range of color palettes and materials, making it an ideal choice for enhancing the visual cohesion of a room. In this way, wooden crafts become not just decorative elements, but integral components of a thoughtfully curated interior. Moreover, the enduring appeal of wooden crafts is rooted in their ability to evoke nostalgia and a sense of connection to the past. In a time characterized by rapid technological advancements and changing lifestyles, many people find comfort in traditional crafts that harken back to simpler times. The rich history of woodworking and the skills passed down through generations lend a timeless quality to wooden crafts, making them a cherished addition to modern homes. This nostalgia is particularly resonant in a world where many seek to create spaces that feel grounded and authentic, providing a counterbalance to the transient nature of contemporary life. The emotional resonance of wooden craft projects extends beyond mere aesthetics. They often carry sentimental value that transcends their physical form. Handmade items can become heirlooms, imbued with memories and stories that connect generations. Whether it's a beautifully crafted dining table where family gatherings take place or a decorative piece that sparks fond memories, these wooden crafts can hold profound significance for those who inhabit the space. This emotional connection enhances the sense of home, transforming a house into a sanctuary filled with love, history, and personal narratives. The significance of wooden craft projects in modern interior home decor is multifaceted and deeply impactful. From their inherent beauty and sustainability to their role in fostering creativity, personal expression, and community, wooden crafts resonate with contemporary values and aesthetics in profound ways. As individuals increasingly seek to create spaces that reflect their identities and values, the appeal of wooden crafts continues to grow, offering a timeless and meaningful approach to home decor. By embracing the artistry of wooden crafts, homeowners not only enhance the visual appeal of their living spaces, but also cultivate a deeper connection to their environment, their creativity, and each other. In a world that often prioritizes the fleeting over the enduring, wooden crafts stand as a testament to the beauty of craftsmanship, sustainability, and the human spirit, enriching our homes and our lives in immeasurable ways.